Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Here is my 2019 Seat Tarraco first edition, and on this channel I intend to do some modifications solely using AliExpress. So far the only mod I've done is the sequential lights, as you can see there, in a smoked black, which I think looks really nice on the car. I also have a dash cam, but I need to hardwire that. But this channel is going to be doing car modifications using AliExpress. A little bit about the car. This is a 2019. It has a EA888 Gen 3 engine, which is shared with the Mark III Golf GTI. It has keyless entry, Alcantara fabric seats, I guess you would call it. CarPlay, got the sunroof as well, which was really nice. Heated seats as well. Driver's side, passenger, and the rear two corners. So 4 heated seats. And yeah, I'll be doing modifications and I'll be taking you along with me. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's get to it. One of the mods I want to do to the car is that I've never liked this gear shifter, and obviously it being a used car, it's got marks and damages. The car has brown interior accents, so I ordered this DSG gear shift replacement. It comes in a little packet like that, and I thought the bronze would look really nice instead of this faded, worn out leather. So I've got no instructions with this, so we're just going to wing it. But I've ordered the leather center in the middle, the chrome, bronze chrome sides, and also I got black so it all matches. So I don't think the silver will go with the bronze. So no instructions, like I said. So I think we just get inside here. Oh, that didn't sound good. Yeah, it's just on 4 clips. Broke one of the clips there, but doesn't matter. We're going to replace that anyway. Oh, broke that one as well. No, I didn't. There we are. So we just need to release this one. I'll look on this. Looks like it's just a slide up here and a clip holding it there. Just release that. Oh, there we go. As simple as that. Put those bits aside. I even have a replacement button. So everything is changing on here. There we go. Black button there. Oh, I'm losing all the bits. Little bits there. Now I just need to work out how I undo the lower trim. Just get another tool. That one's not any better. Pry that off. Hopefully not breaking anything. Let me try a metal tool. This is what I enjoy about working on the car, although not damaging anything. Oh, there we go. To there. And voila. that bit off. That's this bit, which I have no clue how I'm going to get this bit off. I'll be back for you in just a minute. So I'm back, guys. I actually just had to release the pin, the gear select pin, so I can change gears, and then this whole thing slid off. And I had these little pins on the bottom, just had to force it through there. Forgot to record while I was doing it, but there we are. That's that. Now, hopefully, now we can just replace this bit, pull that off, and slide on the new one. Like so. Oh, might as well touch the button while we're at it. Like that. So that will sort the change gear. We've got that. One side. I'll attach all these bits because I don't actually think I needed to remove as much as I did. Stop now. We'll do that bit last. So we'll attach this one, just line it up. It's got like guides. Like that. And same with the other side. Lines up here, clips are there. That doesn't look right, does it? Release that, it's not seating properly. I do. That's what happens when you buy from AliExpress. But that's the whole point of this channel. I'm just gonna line it up there. That looks right. Somewhat. Well, it's in, but I've lost the bronze bit, which now defeats the whole object. Bear with me. Super fiddly, but I've now got it all together. I've just got to make sure I trap the leather gaiter, I think you call it, around. Just got to get this, force this on, and it will lock the thing behind so it looks all neat and flush. Very hard. Maybe I've got too much in there. That the gaiter is a bit skew with. Let's make sure we've got this lined up because we don't want it cockeyed, because that will drive me insane for days to come. And just force this in like that. That's locked in now. Yep, there we are. Lost the trim again, but never mind. We will, I'm hoping once it's in, that will look 100 times better. Let's try and get this back in the car. Just a clip there. Not breaking the pins. This just lights up the selector. Just gonna line it up with the hole in top. Just see there's a hole there used for shifting. Oh, there's a metal ring as well that I did take off. Didn't need to take that off, but I will crimp that back on. Make sure you can see. Oh, take that bit out. That's a later problem. There we are. Slide that down, and this selector inside. There we go. Very fiddly. You see, it's going to make off the car, so you do want to use that. Otherwise, I'll be back on while I fix the problem. There we go. Fold this all back down neatly. Press it all up as best I can. Yep, all goes into gear. Lovely jubbly. Attach that back, and I'm hoping, if not, I'll come back and glue it. Got this last bit here. Should just slip in. And there we have it. Gone from the damaged silver one, this nice leather bronze chrome shifter, which I think is a nice addition to the car to match the brown accents in the interior. The next modification I've got on my list is to do the mud guards. I got these again, like I said, off AliExpress. I think these were only about £12, free delivery. They're just on the four corners of the car. The only downside, as the Seat Tarraco shares the same chassis base as the VW Tiguan and Skoda Kodiaq, I believe. It's Tiguan Allspace. When I ordered them, it didn't say that, it said Tiguan, but hey ho, we will fit them and let's get to it. The wind is picking up, so what I'll do is do a time lapse so I don't bore you with screwing stuff in. But it literally goes on like, just get the right side out. It literally fits up like this. And you see it goes in the existing mounting. So it'll say Tiguan, but who cares? And it's straightforward. So let's get a time lapse going and get these fitted. now fitted the mud flaps, mud splash guards. As you can see here, they went in the existing thing, and like I said, they are for the VW T1 horsepower. So there's one there, and I did have to make my own hole here, which is unfortunate as I'd like to keep it original, but for the sake of you guys, and it's from AliExpress, that will do. Same here, this one fitted a lot better than all the existing mounting points. It just says T1 under there, but unless I run you over, hopefully you won't see that it says T1 and not Seat or Tarraco. Fits up to the body nicely. Like I said here, I had to put a screw in there, make my own hole, and then just use the existing things. But overall, not a big modification, but it's just the subtle touches that will do. I think next I have either a blow-off valve to fit. I have, what's it called? Ambient lighting throughout the car, which will be one of my big ones. Bought a spoiler as well. That will go along here and down here, but that will need some trimming. And on this car, on the 2019 to 2020 model, doesn't have the coast-to-coast light, and they cost about £400 each. So I think what I'm going to do, I ordered a red LED, and I'm going to try to take this apart and fit a red LED in here. So then this bit all lights up. I'll have to get a night shot. And here, well, hopefully I can make my own coast-to-coast. And I think that LED only cost me £2. And I'm okay with a solder iron, but we'll see how we get on.